everyone, it's Brianna from Brie Marie Plans. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be planning in my classic horizontal happy planner for the week of June 17th through the 23rd. This is my grad school planner. I have 2 online classes this summer, and I'm going to be using this kit, but this is the smaller version. This is from Paper Crown Planner. It is the strawberry journaling kit. This is what it looks like all together, but like I said, this is the small one. I printed a bigger version to use in my bigger planners. So we have this page and this page, and it's all cut up weird because I use these 5x7 photo albums to store my printable stickers in. So, and they don't fit, and I didn't want to buy any more albums, so this is what we've got. But I'm just gonna put these off to the sides in their own little formations, so I can try to remember what I have. Now at this point in time that I'm filming, it is, what is today? June 6th. And classes start on June 10th, and I don't have my due dates yet for one of the classes. So we're not gonna put anything in here corresponding to due dates. We're just gonna kind of plop stickers down and see what happens. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I want to do is grab my tweezers, and I want to put these days of the week down, because they are so pretty. They're quite dainty, so I'm trying to be careful. But and then we're gonna need whiteout to get rid of all these, and I think I might get rid of the dates too. I don't really feel like I need them, so I still really love using this horizontal planner for school. It's just, it works really well, so I'm not changing it up. My goodness, these are very hard to get off, so maybe I should use my fingers first. Okay. I do want to take the time to remind you all that my first sticker release is up. Went up on June 7th. So actually tomorrow as I'm filming this, but by the time this video comes out, it will have already been out. Just wondering if any of you all have bought any stickers that have been of interest to you from my shop. If you didn't, that is okay. I plan to do a release about once a month. So hopefully if there's nothing in this release, there's something in future ones that you like. But yeah, if you did buy anything, please let me know what. I would love to hear. And yeah, I think the next release is going to be Friday, July, I think it's the 5th. Which at this point in time, I haven't started working on the stickers yet, so I need to do that. But there's going to be either 10 or 12 sticker sheets, which I'm very excited about. So yeah, if you want to keep an eye out on my shop, the best place to do that is to follow me on Instagram, because I do some updates on there. So yeah, okay, very nice. And then definitely want to use these pieces of paper, and I'm gonna white this out because this is gonna get covered up anyway. So I'm gonna put this little torn piece of paper down here, and I love this. I'm obsessed with her sticker kits. I have like 25 or something, but being the printables, I haven't printed them all out yet. But I've been working on it, and this is one of the ones that I have printed, and I knew I had to use it right away because it is just so dang pretty. Okay, we're gonna try to get this on relatively straight. That's not too bad. I'm not gonna try to peel that back up because I do not use removable paper when I print stickers for myself. So that would just be a nightmare to clean up. Okay. So, and then we've got a floral that can go on a side, but I'm not sure which one. I'm thinking I'm just gonna put it down the middle here. These are cut pretty intricately, so I'm trying to figure out the best way to get them off the page without ripping anything. There we go. Okay. So I'll just put this one right here. Like that. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then, oh, I actually think I want to use this up here. So I think I might cover up the June and take this Monday sticker off and then put it back on once this gingham print is on. Gorgeous. Okay. Let's grab my tweezers again. Yeah, this is so pretty already. Love it. Okay, so now I think that there are gonna be some things due on Sundays, so I'm just gonna put this really cute Polaroid down with sort of, there's a bunch of little like scrappy things in here which are really, really nice. So I think I'm just gonna put this up here as a layering piece, and then put that right there, and then maybe just a circle. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, and then this last little floral piece I am gonna pick up. So I'm not gonna be able to use all these stickers on here, so I think I'm gonna avoid using these for this spread. Oh, now I need to remember what goes where. I think this goes over here and that goes there. Okay. And then to me this makes the most sense down here. And I want to bring in, she has these really cute like doily elements, so I want to bring that one in there, and then I also might bring in this one that's a little smaller and just layer the two. Yeah, that's cute. And then you can just put the sticker right there and cut off the tiny little bit. It's like barely anything to cut off, but I'll cut it. Okay. Yeah, this is looking so cute. So now we've got some little washi looking pieces. So I'll put this right up here and then put that on there to make it look like it's being taped on. And then we've also got, let's see, we'll use this pink one, and then the green gingham over here. So cute. Okay, and then what else? I do think I could use this stamp up there. So that's cute. And then this other little circle, I might just put right there. I do want to bring in a few tiny strawberries. This would be nice to bring in as well, so I will layer that right there with maybe that down there. Okay. Then put strawberry there and one right there. Then what else? Is there anything else I really want to do? I'll take this little leaf and put it somewhere. Like that. I think I would like to use this little box over here. Actually, I think I want to layer it with this. So we're gonna put this right there, then layer that and put that right there. Oh, that is so cute. So I'm not gonna bring any washi in. I don't really feel the need to. When I have some more strawberries here, so I'll bring a couple more of those in. Let's see where. I feel like there's a good spot, and you're just right here. Okay, this is so cute. So this is what I have left of these. This piece can actually get thrown, and I probably will try to consolidate some stuff just to make it a little easier to store. But this is the gorgeous spread. I will link this kit down below. Take a look at her other kits if you're interested. Absolutely worth it. Yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.